Playa del Carmen on the Riviera Maya is located in the center of the Mexican Caribbean and boasts a spectacular 75-mile stretch of sandy beach. The Cancun International Airport is about 45 minutes north of Playa del Carmen, making travel easy. Although some all-inclusive hotel packages include airport transportation, visitors may simply take a taxi or a bus to a station in the downtown Playa del Carmen. The greatest things to do in Playa del Carmen, being a coastal tourist town, are packed around the beach. Playa del Carmen is very simple to explore on foot, despite being one of the region's largest and fastest growing cities. Playa del Carmen's main street, or Fifth Avenue, runs parallel to the beach. Hotels, boutiques, art galleries, restaurants, bars and clubs surround the 5-mile-long pedestrian promenade, making it a popular nightlife destination. You'll uncover some hidden jewels such as Mayan remains and even a freshwater cenote, in addition to street performance and entertainment. While there are many great restaurants along Fifth Avenue, including upscale and international cuisine, as well as boutique hotels and resorts, some of the most authentic alternatives can be found on the side streets. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Along Fifth Avenue, boutique hotels spill out onto the beach and provide facilities such as rooftop pools with lively bars and DJs. Luxury boutique hotels, trendy downtown hotels, budget-friendly hotels and hostels are all available in Playa del Carmen. For nature and adventure lovers, Playa del Carmen and its surroundings offer everything from birding to ATV trips and zipline rides through the Mayan jungle at adventure parks. The Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the world's second longest coral reef, is located just off the shore. It's a snorkelers and scuba divers' dream come true. Visitors may stroll through caves and rivers surrounded by stalactites in a setting that is millions of years old on underground explorations. The Riviera Maya is also noted for its cenotes or sinkholes, which number is more than 2,500. The Riviera Maya is also home to archaeological sites like Esmuil, Coba and Tulum, all of which may be seen on a half-day excursion from Playa del Carmen. Days at Playa del Carmen may be spent relaxing at one of the excellent hotel spas or swimming in the warm, tranquil ocean that resembles a postcard picture. Snorkeling, boat trips, paddleboards and kayaks are all available at most of the bigger seaside hotels. There are several beaches to select from right in the town, so even if you're not staying at the beachfront hotel, you can still enjoy Playa del Carmen's ideal waterfront location.